What's up, guys? Back with another video. It's my Sunday, September 13th here in Oregon, and as some of you may or may not know, we got crazy wildfires going on right now, surrounding everywhere. A lot of my favorite places to fish are up in flames right now, and can't fish in a lot of the spots. So really, I'm just out here exploring some new areas. It's really smoky out here, smoky everywhere. But this is actually a pretty light area. It's a lot cloudier or smokier in some spots. It's actually hard to breathe. But found this little creek. Let's see what's over here. Again, I have never been out here, but this is not a bad looking little creek. Don't know if there's any fish in here, but I may walk down there a little bit, let's see what's on the other side of the road. Too bad. There's little hoppers down there. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna throw a few casts in here, but again, today we're just really exploring. I'm just on this long forest road that connects like the St. Helens area here in Oregon all the way to the Tillamook State Forest, which I don't know how it's gonna be as far as fires going over there, but we'll see. Alright guys, so forest ranger came up to me at that last spot. He said that whole forest is closed, so I had to come move to another spot. This is a creek I fished a lot in the past. It's close to the state forest, the Tillamook State Forest, but not quite, so I don't think it's closed. I'm gonna fish here a little bit. I don't know if I can fish here, but we'll see. If someone comes and tells me I have to leave, I totally get it. These fires are they're bad, so I totally understand if I can't be here, but I'm gonna fish here a little bit. I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm not down there with starting fires or anything, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, we go down there, fish a little bit, and see what we can't catch. Alright guys, yeah, so we're just out here. Like I said, I'm kind of limited on the places I can fish today because of all the wildfires going on right now. I have fished this creek many times in the past. There's never really anything that big in here, but it is what it is. This is a nice little deep pocket. It's usually a lot shallower, especially this time of the year. I'm actually surprised at how deep these pockets are right now. Let's see what I can catch. Like I said, it's been forever since I've been to this creek. There never really was. I remember catching a few decent sized ones in this creek years ago, but there never was anything that big. But regardless, even the small ones are fun to catch. Oh no. Wow. I am extremely surprised that my line didn't break right there. Crazy. I don't know. Water's really low. Onward, let's see what's up here. Well, nothing so far, guys. I'm gonna go walk up here, up around the corner, see if there's any deep pockets. If not, I'm gonna head back because this water's looking really low. Doesn't look like anything that nice. Let's see. Doesn't look like there's gonna be much for fishing around here. Yeah. Let's go to a different spot. I'm not really feeling this, guys. It's just too shallow of areas. All right, I'll catch you at the next spot. All right, guys. We're here at the second spot. I guess third spot, but see, I know the creek is right over here somewhere. I'm assuming this trail leads down to it. There's only one way to find out. Again, I don't think this is quite the Tillamook State Forest, so I think I'm okay fishing here. You know, if someone tells me that I can't be here right now because of the fires, I'm totally okay with that. But I'm pretty sure this area is fine. That is steep. I don't know if I want to go down there. It looks a little dangerous. Let's try this little area. There's some steep little areas. This is a really nice deep pool over here. I don't think I've ever been over here, guys. Oh, look at that. Fucking filthy ass people, man. Oh, that just pisses me off. It makes me so mad seeing stuff like that, guys. Don't be those people. Don't be those people. Wow, look at this. This is really nice. I don't think I've ever fished this spot. This rope swing here does not look safe. Not in the slightest. Let's see if we can make our way down here without hurting ourselves. Let's see, it would actually be better if we can go down here, the way we can walk upstream. There we go. This looks okay. I'm gonna put some paracord right here to help you down. That's nice. All right. Let's see here. Got a nice little pocket back there. See if we can sneak this thing in there without getting all hung up on the trees. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh no, I'm stuck in the tree. There we go. First fish of the day, guys. That did not take long, but I am hung up in these freaking... That did not take long at all, guys. Look at me caught up in this branch, though. My goodness, sorry, guy. Right on. First fish of the day, guys. Nice cutthroat. Beautiful first fish during the 2020 wildfires. Yeah, awesome. First fish, guys. I'm gonna get this untangled and then we'll keep fishing. I think there's probably another fish in here somewhere, so rock on. All right, guys, I just got that untangled. I'm gonna cast it right back in there and see if I can catch another one. That was a great little first fish for the first one of the day. Man, he slammed that nymph. See if I can get another one in there. Oh, there's another one. Wanting it. It's a nice little pocket. They're deep in there. Here we go. Here we go. That's it. Give me one. There we go. Yeah, that one was not bad. Not bad at all. It's a really tricky spot to fish with all these branches hanging down over there. It's a tricky little area. Let's see if I can get it in a... Oh, yes. There we go, guys. There's a good one. Oh, yeah. Dude, you guys, that's a decent fish. Decent fish. Holy crap. I was not expecting this. Holy crap, guys. That is a decent fish. I was not expecting that out of this little creek. Oh my God. I don't even have my net with me. This is hands down the biggest fish I've ever caught out of this little creek. Hands down. Look at that, man. Oh, no, get back here. Oh, he got away. Hell yeah, guys. Whew. Rock on. That was a great little fish. But man, look at that tangled mess, man, with all this going on. Holy crap, I was not expecting that out of this tiny ass little creek, guys. I honestly was not expecting anything close to that size in here, so I didn't bring my net. That was a great fish. Too bad he got away there at the very last second. Man, out of this tiny little creek, is there anything better than catching fish like that in tiny creeks? Oh, I love it. Totally unexpected. All right, I'm gonna, again, get this shit untangled and then keep at it. I'll see you in a minute. Great first couple fish, guys. Great first couple fish. All right, I'm gonna keep going upwards here. I see a nice deep pocket down there, but I wanna keep walking upstream, easier to fish. Heck yeah, guys. I'm going to keep at it. Hopefully we can hook into another big one like that second one there. Let's keep at it. There's these nice deep pockets here, but oh man, I should have brought, I left my net, of course, and I left my, oh, why am I blanking on the name of the split shots? I left my split shots up there, so these nice deep pockets here. I may have trouble getting into. This little nymph I have on here is not heavy at all. There's a little fish after it. Oh. I've caught a lot. I mean, I used to salmon fish, steelhead. I've done giant sturgeon all my life. You know, and that's one thing, catching those fish, but I don't know, there's something about catching nice big fish in tiny creeks that I just love. I just get a thrill out of it, you know? See what else we can catch. Yeah, this is a nice deep hole here, but There's a fish. I don't know if I can get my nymph all the way down right there. Hopefully they'll come up. Hopefully they'll come up for this dry. I don't know though. We'll see. Yeah, guys, I didn't bring any of my flies. Didn't bring my flies, didn't bring my net. Didn't bring any float. I didn't bring anything down here. It's all up at the truck, so if I have to, I'll go get it, but we'll see. Oh, great. Now I'm stuck on the log. Oh, shoot. All right, let's go get that out. All right, guys, let's see if we can get another fish in this deep pocket. Like I said, I forgot my split shots up at the truck. I don't know if I'll be able to get it down low enough in here. Also, this water is really clear. I don't even see any fish in this deep pocket, but you never know. Sometimes those fish, man, you'll be looking right at them and you won't be able to see them. They'll just pop up out of nowhere. Yeah, all right, well, on to the next spot. All right, guys, I'm coming up to this bridge. I see a nice little pool under these rapids over here. Let's see, I think I'm gonna, no, I don't think there's gonna be anything in there. There's this nice little pocket over here and a nice little pocket way up there. Let's see. There's definitely gonna be something in here. I'm gonna cast into this pool before I get up to that pocket, because who knows, there might be something in here. Oh yeah, something small. And there's trees everywhere right here. There's one, there's one. There's one, guys. There's one. Went after that nymph. Let's go down here so we don't spook the other fish. Not too bad, not too bad. You know, the fish down here, they don't put up much of a fight. Come on. Not a bad looking fish. There he goes. Right on. Not a bad fish. I think there's gonna be more up in this hole up here. Hopefully a bigger one. All right, let's try and get him. All right, I'm gonna go up to these last couple pockets and then call it good. Honestly, not even sure if I'm supposed to be out here fishing right now with all these fires going on. Like I said, I don't think this is the state forest. I don't think it's quite the state forest, so I think I'm okay, but I just wanna be safe. I don't know, I'm not gonna go too much further. I'm gonna call it good. I've already caught a few fish. That second one I caught, you guys saw. Too bad I didn't. I mean, I had him in my hand. He slipped out right as I went to unhook him, so. But I'd consider that a catch. Right back there. Yeah, right there. Nothing, really? All right. I hear some pretty big rapids up here. Let's go fish that little spot and we'll call it good. We'll head back. Come on now. Alright. Oh, what's that? No, stuck on the rock. Alright. Let's go a little further up. All right, guys, so I went about as far as I'm gonna go on this little creek. I'm gonna fish my way back. There's one, there's one. There's one. Oh, he came off. That was a small one, still fun. All right, guys, so we hooked into a number of fish. One really surprisingly big one for this tiny creek. It's definitely the biggest fish I've ever caught in this little creek. Super stoked about that, but I'm about as far as I want to go, so I'm gonna hit up this other creek back towards town that I've been wanting to hit for a while. I got some extra time to kill, so why not? I'll meet you guys over there and we'll see if we can catch a few more. All right, guys, I'm here at this new body of water that I've always wanted to fish. I drive by here all the time. It's really close to town, so I've never really stopped, but I mean, it looks decent. It's pretty close to town. Let's see, it says catch and release, flies and lures only. No problem. Let's see if I can get down here though. Yeah, man, I've always wanted to fish this little creek. There's a bunch of access points too. So, whew, man, this is kind of sketch. Real slippery dirt. Real loose dirt, I should say. Real loose dirt. Pretty cool little spot though. Pretty cool little spot. I wonder what that is in the water over there. It looks like a bunch of, I don't know, look at some of this. I don't really like not a big fan of fishing these big deep pools like that. I like more like more rapids, more pockets. That's just what I like fishing. You know, I'm sure a lot of you fly fishermen out there know what I'm talking about. At least that's what I like to fish. I don't know. What are those? Oh, a bunch of crab shells. You gotta be kidding me.